Welcome to my channel. Want to learn how to create this viral text effect? Let's get started. First, start by taking a black background and adding a text layer. Type in your desired text. Then take a snapshot of it and delete the text layer from the timeline. Next, import any video onto the timeline and place the snapshot text layer above it. Adjust the duration. Cut the snapshot text layer into 3 parts and delete the third part. Now, copy and paste the second part directly next to the first. Here's where the magic happens. For the first part, at the starting point, add a keyframe and adjust the mask's linear layer position. Then, at the end point, add another keyframe and move the text position upward. Now, repeat the process for the second part. At the start, add a keyframe and adjust the mask's linear layer position. At the end point, add another keyframe and move the text position downwards, and that's it. Now place the text part over the second part and adjust the duration. A simple yet stunning viral text effect, ready to wow your audience. Thank you so much for watching.
A few moments later.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.